Hey budgetarians, welcome back to the channel. If you're a parent dreaming of a fun family getaway without overspending this upcoming school holiday, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing a complete guide on how to plan a family trip on a tight budget. From choosing the right destination, to saving on flights, to budgeting your daily expenses. So grab your notes. After this video, you'll be ready to plan a school holiday trip that's fun, stress-free, and budget-friendly. Before choosing a destination, you need to know your limit. Step 1. Set your total budget. Ask yourself, how much can your family comfortably spend? Is this for a weekend, 3 days, or 1 week? Do you have a travel fund already? A practical starting point for families is setting a budget like $200 to $300 for local trips, $500 to $800 for nearby international destinations. Step 2. Break it down into categories: transportation, accommodation, food, activities, emergency, and extras. This helps you avoid overspending on one category and struggling on the rest. For school holidays, avoid popular, expensive hotspots. Choose places that are family-friendly, budget-friendly, not overcrowded, accessible. Examples: local beach towns, nature spots, small cities, cultural towns, countries with strong currency value for your money. Remember, affordable doesn't mean boring. Kids usually love simple places with space to explore. School holiday flight prices can be brutal. Here's how to beat the system. 1. Book at least 2 to 3 months ahead. Prices always go up as the date gets closer. 2. Travel midweek. Tuesday and Wednesday flights are usually cheapest. 3. Choose early morning or late night flights. These are less in demand and typically cheaper. 4. Use tools like Google Flights Alerts, Skyscanner, Hopper, and Everywhere search option. These tools show you the cheapest days to fly. One. Book away from city centers. You'll save 20 to 40% instantly. 2. Look for family rooms. 1 room versus 2 rooms equals big savings. 3. Choose places with free perks. Free breakfast, free airport shuttle, free kids' meals, free pool access, free laundry. These add tremendous value for families. Kids don't need expensive theme parks to have fun. Enjoy budget activities such as beaches, public parks, free museums, local markets, nature trails, DIY scavenger hunts, family picnic days. Most children just want to run, explore, swim, and eat ice cream. And that doesn't cost much. Avoid school holiday travel taxes like overweight luggage fees, buying overpriced snacks, buying convenience items abroad. You should always bring snacks, water bottles, medicine, small toys or travel activities, power banks, extra clothes for kids. Packing smart saves money and sanity.
Set a daily family spending limit before your trip. Decide, how much can we spend per day as a family? When you have a daily limit, you stop overspending emotionally and start spending intentionally. Food hacks that save families. Big money. Food is usually the largest daily expense for families. Here's how to cut it down. Eat breakfast where you stay. Free if possible. Make lunch your main meal, cheaper than dinner. Share dishes. Portions are often big. Eat where locals eat, not tourist streets. Buy snacks and drinks from supermarkets. When you plan your budget before the trip and manage your spending during the trip, you don't just save money, you enjoy the trip more. Less stress, less guilt, more memories.
And that's how you plan a family trip on a tight budget for school holidays. If you want more budget-friendly family travel hacks, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your next topic request. Travel smart, travel more, budgetarian style.